And today may have been a busy day for earnings, but tomorrow promises to be even busier. There's one company scheduled to report that could provide a read on the global economy, and that's Caterpillar. Today, the Dow component said sales of machinery by its dealers fell for the 3-month period in June. And as Dominic Chu reports, that could be a troubling sign.
When it comes to which stocks to watch as an indicator of global economic health, few are more closely followed than Caterpillar. It's one of the world's biggest makers of heavy equipment like dump trucks, bulldozers, and drills. And there's a reason why so many investors care about its financial results.
It's a bellwether and American company. Products are made here in the United States. We have to look at the strong dollar and what effect does it have about global demand.
So here's what Wall Street analysts are expecting from Caterpillar tomorrow morning. Estimated earnings per share of $1.27 on sales of $12.6 billion. Beyond just the headline numbers, investors will be looking for any kind of commentary about future demand for Cat's products.
The biggest thing to look tomorrow morning is really the forward-looking earnings, forward-looking expectations. That's the biggest thing we're really going to look at.
But Caterpillar is just one data point and the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what's happening in the world of oil and gas, metals, and mining. Ben Mandel is a global strategist at J.P. Morgan Asset Management, and he's watching the bigger picture of what's driving the recent weakness in commodity prices.
I think a major challenge for the industrial sector is the fact that commodities look fairly weak and the outlook is somewhat bearish. And it's hard to construct a very positive view on oil, which is the root of commodities. A particularly relevant factor is global demand, which has been coming down. And the basis for global demand coming down in turn is a weakening China and really emerging markets driving that.
So far in 2015, Caterpillar shares have been among the worst performers in the large cap Dow Industrial Average, due in no small part to the weakness in commodity markets. Now, traders have pushed the stock to 6 straight days of losses. So tomorrow's earnings from Caterpillar could do a lot to either add more fuel to that downside momentum or provide a reason for at least some optimism. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.